Now I am going to start about the standard 5th maths, that is unit 4 algebra. So far you have seen addition, subtraction and multiplication, division, estimation. Now this algebra, what do you mean by algebra? What is algebra? This algebra consists of the uses of numbers and letters. They will give instead of numbers and the numbers they will give the letters to solve the problems. Even for addition and subtraction also they got letters like that, no? But how do we do that? That and all you can see in the higher classes. For your class, they are giving some other way of doing about the equality in algebra. What do you mean by the equality? Equality. This, whenever we add, subtract, multiply or divide two numbers, the answer we get is the another number. Eppo add pannalo, multiply, divide pannalo, innor answer kadikudhu. For example, if we add 4 plus 2, how much that is? 6. Okay, yeah. Then 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. Then 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. Then 6 ones are 6. So, if we add these numbers, 4 plus 2 is 6, 10 minus 4 is 6, 12 divided by 2 equal to 6 and 6 ones are 6. So like this, another one, for example, 5 plus 5, how much that is? 10. Then subtraction, 17 minus 7, that is equal to 10. Then 5 twos are 10. Then 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 10. So what is the answer we get? All even the mathematical operation addition, subtraction, we will get the same answer for the sum of the sums. So if we add 5 plus 5, what will get? 10. 17 minus 7, 10. And 5 twos are 10 and 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the value of each expression is 10, which means all the expressions are equal. This is also equal. Enna add panni multiply panni in the number another number we will get the same answer. All these expressions are equal to each other. So this is clear. 5 plus 5, 17 minus 5, 5 into 2, 20 divided by 2. This is known as the expression. All these expressions are equal to the answer. The answer is equal. So an expression, this is called equality. This is known as the equality. Equality. Okay. So like this, they are given the sum of the exercises and they are given the 12 is the answer and we have to write the equalities for this. What are the equalities? How to write this one? So we will say this now. Can you understand, children? 4 operations that is add, subtract, then multiply and divide. You will get the same answer. The 4 expressions to same answer we got it, that is called the equality. So for exercise 4.1 they are given. 4.1. Here page number 29. I'll give the sum using brackets. Using brackets. Write 3 pairs. 3 pairs of numbers. 3 pairs of numbers whose sum na add panna 12 varano, adha sum. Okay, sum na நம்ம போடுற sumல நம்ம எப்படி add பண்ணாலும் அது வர ஆன்சர் இப்போ எப்படி 10 வந்ததோ 4 operations அதே மாதிரி you have to get the 12. Use them to write. அதுக்கு 3 equalities எழுதுங்க. Use them to write. இப்போ சொன்னேன் இல்லையா 3 equalities. அந்த 12 வரதை வச்சு 3 equalities நீங்கள் எழுதணும். This is the question. Okay, children. So using the brackets, write 3 pairs of numbers. 3 pairs of numbers first எழுதுங்க. whose sum is 12 வரணும். அப்படி எழுதும்போது use them to write 3 equalities. So how to write this 12 வரணும் இல்லையா? So first plus signல போடும்போது 6 plus 6 is equal to 8 plus 4. Equalities இப்படி தான் எழுதணும் side by side. 9 plus 3 நான் உங்களுக்கு புரியணுன்றதுக்காக அப்படி கீழே கீழே எழுதுனேன். பட் you have to write brackets எழுதும்போது you have to write side by side only. 6 plus 6 is 12 and 8 plus 4 is 12 and 9 plus 3 is 12. Using the brackets, I have put the brackets. 3 pairs I have written and numbers whose sum is 12. நீங்கள் 9 plus 3 எழுதலாம், 3 plus 9 எழுதலாம், 4 plus 8 எழுதலாம், 10 plus 2 also you can write. Can you understand children? 10 plus 2, then anything. For 12 வரும்போது 3 pairs with bracket you have to write like this. The next sum, find 4 pairs. Find 4 pairs of numbers. So இதில் வந்து some of the sumsல அவங்க வந்து இப்போ 3 numbers எழுதினா போதும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. பட் இங்கே வந்து find 4 pairs of numbers, 1 for each of addition, 1 for each of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That make the number 16. Number 16 வரணும். Okay. Write equalities. So அதே மாதிரி நம்ம 3 equalities எழுதணும். 3 equalities for each of them. அவங்க வந்து 3 தான் கேட்டாங்க. பட் இங்கே வந்து all the 4 ஆப்ரேஷன்ஸ்லேயே எழுதணும். So you have to write 8 plus 8 that is equal to 16. Okay, yeah. Then 18 minus 2 subtraction பண்ணா 16. Then 8 2s are 16. Then 32 divided by 2 that is equal to 16. Can you understand children? Find 4 pairs of numbers, 1 for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And that makes the number 16 varano. So 8 plus 8 pota 16 varum. 18 minus 2 is 16. This is 16 and 8 2s are 16 and 32 divided by 2 is 60. And write equalities for them. This is the way of writing the equalities side by side. Don't write one by one in the down. Okay, then this is equality. The next one is inequality. Inequality means what? Inequality. That is the value of the expression 6 plus 3 and 6 into 3 are 9 and 18 respectively. So in this not equal. So 6 plus 3 என்ன வருது? 9. And 6 into 3 18. So this is not equal. இப்படி போட்டா not equal. So another example we can take 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 is not equal. 4 and 5. இது வந்து not equal. This is also not equal. 4 and 5 is not equal. But we can one expression, so this is not equal. If two expressions or number not equal. இப்போ 2 numbers இருக்கு, இது ரெண்டுமே not equal இல்லையா? அப்போ that time we can use the symbol to show greater than or less than. To show greater than. ஸோ நம்ம அப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம்? greater than, இங்கே பாக்ஸ் போடுறேன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், or less than. 4 box 5 to show greater than or less than. So for symbol is இப்படி போட்டால் greater than, இப்படி போட்டால் less than. Can you understand? This is greater and this is less than. So 4 is less than 5. So put the symbol like this. Can you understand children? 4 is less than 5. So we can put the symbol like this. Suppose if they are given the number 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 box 25 divided by 5. So how to put the symbol? 9 minus 5 is 4 and 25 divided by 5 is 5 5s are 25. So 5 is the answer. So 4 is less than 5. Appa less than symbol na edun sonna, this is the less than symbol. So you can put the symbol like this. This is only we are going to see in these exercises. And suppose, so this is the way of putting that this is the greater than symbol and this is the less than symbol. Okay. Now we will see the some of the sums regarding this greater than or less than. So this is known as the inequality. Equality means all the numbers will be the same, but in inequality we will put the greater than or less than sum. Page number 30. Example 4.2. Here fill in the boxes between the expressions. They are given the heading. So this also you have to copy down, children. Fill in the boxes between the expression. Between the expressions. With greater than, equal to or less than as required. So this is the sum they are given. Okay, page number 30, exercise number 4.2. Fill in the boxes between the expressions with greater than or less than. You have to put the symbol as required. So first sum is they are given as 7 plus 8 box 20 divided by 2. So 7 plus 8 box 20 divided by 2. In this நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், greater lesser equal and we have to put the sign. So first என்ன பண்ணுங்க, இது ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணுங்க. 7 plus 8 is 15 and put the box. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Okay, yeah. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So what we have to do? So 20 at 2 tables la divide pannaka 2 10s are 20. That only I put. Now which symbol we have to put? 15 is greater than 10. So 15 வந்து 10 விட பெருசு. So put the symbol like this. 15 is greater than 10. Hence அப்புறம் திருப்பி என்ன பண்ணுங்க, 7 plus 8 bracket அந்த boxல you put the symbol like this and then 20 divided by 2. This is a way of writing the Okay children, now the next sum, second sum, very easy only. You see in the brackets what they are given, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and paranga. 12 into 3 box 9 into 4. This is the sum they are given. So 12 3s are how much? 12 3s are 36 and box is equal to 9 4s are 36. So both the number are same. So you put equal. So 12 into 3, again you take it out and write the question and put the equal box and 9 into 4. Okay children, so this will be easy, no? Then the third one is 15. Whenever you are doing the sum, if there is a bracket, you put the bracket children, box 8 into 3. 8 into 3. So 15 minus 5 how much? That is 10. Box 5 8 3s are 24. So 10 is less than 24. So less than 24 means you have to put the symbol like this. So 15 minus 5 box. This is the less than sign children, 8 into 3. Then next one. So this is it. Okay children. So these are the example sums for the 4.2. Now next sum is write a number in the box. write here, same page number 31, this is, write a number in the box. That will make this statement correct. So they will ask you whether it is a true or false statement correct. This is from page number 31. Here they are given 6 into 4, that is equal to bracket box minus 6. So here they are given 6 fours, 6 into 4. அப்போ 6 fours are எவ்வளோ நம்மளுக்கு 24 is equal to, இந்த நம்பர் வந்து இதுக்கு ஈக்குவலாக வரணும். இப்போ இங்கேயும் 24 இருந்தால் இங்கேயும் 24 வரணும். அப்போ 6லேருந்து எவ்வளோ மைனஸ் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு இங்கே 24 வரும். ஸோ வாட் டு டூ, தட் இஸ் 30 minus 6. 30லேருந்து 6 மைனஸ் பண்ணால் we will get the answer 24. Can you understand, children? So இங்கே வந்து பாக்ஸில் என்ன வரும், 30 minus 6. ஏன்னா 6 fours are 24. அப்போ இங்கேயும் 24 வரணும். இங்கே மைனஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, 6 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ 6ஓட எவ்வளோ மைனஸ் பண்ணால் 24 வரும். அப்போ இந்த 24 plus 6 ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. That gives you 30. Okay. Now the second one, 35 divided 5. Okay. Less than bracket 2 plus box. Listen carefully. 35 divided by 5 பண்ணாக்கா நம்மளுக்கு எவ்வளோ வரும், 5 7s are 35. less than 2 plus box கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ 2ஓட எவ்வளோ சேர்த்தா இதை விட less than 7ஐ விட less than வரணும்னா you have to add what, 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, that is equal to 8. Okay, so the number we added is, sum is greater than 7. So greater than 7 is 35 divided by 7 is 5 is 7, and that is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. So instead of 6, there's a condition between the 7 and 8 also you can put. Now the next sum, we move on to the 4.2. Next one is 4.2. Page number 31. So state whether, say true or false. Say true or false. They are given the sum of the sums. We have to use the sign and write the answer. So here they are given first sum. 23 plus 4 bracket equal to 4 plus 23, that is true. 23 plus 4 nala undada, that is equal to 4 plus 23 is true. Second sum, 9 plus 4 is greater than 12. Yes, that is true. 9 plus 4 is 13. And third one, 9 plus 4 less than 12, that is false. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 evada 12 less than half, that is false. Then 121 is less than 121, but this is equal illaya. So that is false. ரெண்டுமே சேமாக இருந்தால் that is equal, but அவங்க greater than கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, that is false. Then fifth one, 142 less than 142. Same number இருந்தால் equal வரணும், but they have changed the symbol and gave, so that is false. Then sixth, 112 is equal to 112, that is true. Same number, that is equal. See the symbol in between. And seventh one, 6 into 5 bracket is equal to 32 minus 2. So 6 5s are evlo 30. 32 minus 2 evlo 30. So that is equal. Appo this is true. Eighth sum. Eighth is 49 divided by 7 is greater than 7, that is false. This is equal only, okay, false. Then ninth sum, 4 into 3 bracket equal to 3 into 4, that is true because ரெண்டுமே equal இருக்கு. So in the center இருக்க symbol பாருங்க, if it is correct means you can put true. 21 plus 0, that is equal to 21. So this is true, okay. So your girl will be given the sum like this only. And the next one is fill in the blanks. Sum number 2, fill in the blanks. So in this, fill in the blanks. You are given, you have to put greater than, less than or equal. Idavadu you have to fill it. Okay. 54 divided by 9. Box la vandu 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 panna enna varum? 9 6 are 54 and 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is greater. So put the sign like this. Then second sum, 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 bracket, box, 4 into 2. So iduvum 8, iduvum 8. So we have to put the symbol equal. Then third sum, 10 into 2. 10 into 2, box, 15 plus 20. So 10 2s are 20. Okay. 15 plus 20 is 35. So this is greater. So you put the symbol like this. Okay. Now we move on to the next one. Fill in the blanks with the expression of the suitable numbers we have to put. So I'll top this. Same exercise only. This is the third sum. Third one, fill in the boxes. Sorry, fill in the blanks in the expression. In the expressions with suitable number. So only 6 sums is there. So listen carefully. 1 into 9 is equal to box into 1. So 1 into 9 is equal to box, 9 into 1. Second sum, 6 into 3 greater than 8 into box. So 6 3s are evlo varum? 18 is 8 2s are 16. So you have to put 2. Then third sum, 36 divided by 6 less than box into 7. So 36 divided by 6 is 6. This is 1 into 7 is 7. So we can put the less than symbol. Then fourth one, 0 plus 2 box, 7 into 7 into 0. So 0 plus 2 is 2 is less than greater than 0. Then fifth sum, 42 divided by 7 bracket equal to 4 plus box. So 42 divided by 2 6 இதுக்கு equals அப்போ equals வரணும்னா 4 plus 2 போடணும். So that is equal to 6. Then sixth sum is 6 minus 6 minus box less than 1 plus 2. Okay, so 6 oda evlo minus panna 2 varum. 6 minus 4 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay children, so this is the fill in the blanks with the expressions we have seen. So this algebra is over now, and this is the next one is using the letters. So symbols are frequently used in letters for writing. So 63 divided by 9 equal to 7. So letters can be used, that is suppose if letters எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா 7 plus 3 3 plus 7. So how can we use the letters? For 7 you can use 7, A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 3. So this is the way of writing the letters. So letters use பண்ணும்போது அவங்க எப்படி எழுதுவாங்கன்னா A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay, so 7 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 7. So this is the way of using the letters in algebra. Suppose if they are given the multiplying any number by 1 gives the number itself. For the 1 1 7 1 2 2, that number itself will be given. If the number is replaced by an alphabet, suppose 1A into 1, that is equal to A. This B into 1, that is equal to B. Suppose இப்போ divisionல வரும்போது எப்படி வரும்னாக்கா A divided by B and B divided by A. Like this we have to use the division symbol. Okay, suppose they take the value of A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 2 அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தாங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. இப்போ A plus B, B plus A அப்படின்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். அப்போ A எவ்வளோ இருக்குது 6, B எவ்வளோ இருக்குது 2. இங்கே அதே மாதிரி பாருங்கள், B எவ்வளோ இருக்குது 2, 2 plus A is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 plus 6 is also 8. So this is the way of giving the algebraic expression for the letters. Okay, so the sum of a number and the 0 is number itself. To product sum na add பண்ணணும். So add 0 ஓட எந்த நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணாலும் அந்த நம்பரே தான் வரும். The product of any two numbers and the product obtained after changing the order of those number is the same. அதான் சொன்னீங்க 4 into 7, 4 into 7 நாலும் 7 into 4 நாலும் ஒன்று தான். ப்ராடக்ட் அதே தான், நம்பர்ஸ் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணாலும் இது பண்ணாலும் 28, இப்படி பண்ணாலும் 28. This is product means multiplication. The product of a number and a 0 is 0. Product of the number na இப்போ 8 into 0 na 0. 0 into 8 is also the 0. And write the following properties in words. Okay, so this is it. N minus 0 is equal to n, m divided by 1 is equal to m. So this is a way of using the letters in algebra. So go through this and copy down this, children. So we'll see in the next class. Thank you.